I'm Shyam. I joined the Decibels Lab course 6 months back. I've joined the part of Powertrain exercise master course. So, I've been going through the design modeling of battery packs, powertrains, and so on and so forth in MATLAB. And it's been a wonderful experience with them in understanding, getting to know the fundamentals of these topics, and also we're able to model our actual EV powertrains with the content that they've given. And I am attending right now the lab exercise with them for the past 2 days. It's been a wonderful experience here. They have a very good facility, state of the art from what I've seen so far. And so we had a first level fundamental courses on how we can handle certain components and how we can handle some equipments. And we are still we still have a couple more lab exercises left, which probably I would be able to give you a full-fledged feedback by then. But so far the experience has been great and we are learning a lot. Yes, looking forward to more hands-on training and experience in the coming days. Thank you.